Welcome back, gentlemen, to Legacy of a Gentleman. Today we're diving into an intriguing topic inspired by a viral TikTok that amassed over 1 million likes. It asked a simple but powerful question: how do you know if you're a mature man? Let's break down the points and see where we stand. Let's dive in. A mature man is not glued to his phone, obsessively scrolling through social media, double-tapping on photos, or wasting hours in the digital void. Sure, using social media for business or purposeful connections, that's smart. But being a doom scroller, mindlessly consuming content, that's not the hallmark of a gentleman. A mature man knows how to prioritize his time, handle responsibilities, and balance his life. Think about it. When you imagine a mature man, is he endlessly scrolling, or is he out there making things happen? Let's leave the mindless scrolling to others. Communication is the backbone of any strong relationship, romantic, professional, or platonic. A mature man can express his feelings without losing his cool or resorting to passive aggressiveness. Now, nobody's perfect, and emotions can sometimes get the best of us, but the ability to have tough conversations, actively listen, and respond constructively, that's what sets a gentleman apart. Practice it, master it. Trust me, it'll serve you well in every aspect of your life. Here's one that might surprise you. A mature man doesn't get weird about a woman's time of the month. It's not about knowing every little detail, it's about empathy. When your partner's energy is low or she's feeling off, being understanding and supportive shows emotional intelligence. It's not just mature, it's attractive. And here's a tip: the more you understand women, the better you'll connect with them. Trust me on this one, gentlemen. Overdrinking is a dead giveaway of immaturity. A mature man knows his limits and doesn't use alcohol as a crutch to escape from stress or emotions. Let's be real. Blacking out, losing control, or behaving recklessly isn't just unattractive, it's damaging. Gentlemen, if you're struggling, there are better ways to cope. Seek help if you need it, but don't let alcohol define your behavior or reputation. Here's a big one. A mature man doesn't act secretive with his phone, passwords, hiding screens, or tucking it under a pillow. That screams insecurity, or worse, dishonesty. A gentleman builds relationships on trust and open communication. Now, flipping your phone over during dinner to avoid distractions, that's fine, but hiding it to cover your tracks, that's a whole different story. Remember, transparency isn't just mature, it's essential for trust. Being a mature man isn't about perfection, it's about growth, awareness, and intentionality. From managing your time wisely to building trust and showing empathy, these are the marks of a true gentleman. If you're on the journey to becoming the best version of yourself, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and let's keep building the legacy together. Until next time, gentlemen.